today I'm preparing fish. I usually marinate my fish in a very simple way. We have salt, chili flakes and lime. So that is my fish. I've already marinated it, and then we are going to have them with potatoes. So this is the recipe for today. So this is how I prepare my potatoes. I just add very few oil on a non-sticky pot. Then I place my potatoes, then I cover them. Our potatoes are getting along so well. As you can see, they are turning golden brown. So in few minutes they will be ready. This is one of the best ways you can cook potatoes. Let me cover it. You can see, guys, our potatoes are ready. So let's now cook our fish. So guys, this is our fish. I've marinated it with salt, lime and some chili flakes. A very easy way of marinating your fish. And here I have my oil. I just kept very few oil because I don't like to deep fry excuse me, most of my food. So let's get on cooking our fish. As you can see, I've started to fry my fish. So this is the first fish that I've fried, and these are the ones that are here. So guys, our first pieces of fish are ready. Here they are. Then now we have our second pieces of fish. Then we'll be done with our recipe today. It's a very easy, simple recipe. So that is our second pieces of fish that are almost ready. So guys, our fish are ready. As you can see, they look so nice and delicious. So that's our fish. This is our recipe of the day. We have our fish here, and then we have our potatoes that have added peri-peri chili. That's a mixture of chili cayenne, onion powder, garlic powder, oregano. I've added on my potatoes and my fish. So that's our recipe for the day. Please like, subscribe and share and tell me what you think about this recipe. People, so today I prepare fish, fried fish and roast potatoes. So this is our recipe for today. Please check out the long form of this video and see all the ingredients. Very delicious meat for dinner or when you're having guests. A very simple and quick meal. Hello my lovely people, welcome to my channel. So today I'm preparing goat meat. What I did, sorry I did not show you the beginning, what I did is that I marinated my goat meat with salt, chili, rosemary, there is a mixed curry and beef mix. Then I boiled it in the steam pot just to make it soft. So this is another way of cooking your, this is our goat meat. So now I'm going to prepare goat meat with potatoes. So I'll show you how I will prepare. So my people, these are my potatoes. This is the way I usually cook my potatoes. I have a non-sticky pot here which I've added some few oil. Then I'll add my potatoes. As you can see, this is the way they are. Then I'll cover them and keep on turning them. I'll show you how I keep on turning them so that you can see how they'll get ready. So guys, this is our goat meat. as you can see. So I'll put them on this pan here. So let us put them on this pan, then we'll get on cooking it. So our meat is here. I'm going to switch on the gas and keep on, because it was already marinated, as I said before, and you can see the meat is so soft, it's also falling off the bones. That's the way I like my meat. So let's cook it now. Our potatoes are here. They are getting ready, guys. So this is the way we will turn them. We keep on turning them as they cook. This sort of potatoes will cook for like 30 minutes, I think 25-30 minutes, with a non-sticky pot and some few oil down, and you just cover it and keep on turning it, and you get very beautiful, delicious potatoes. So guys, our meat is here. I'm going to totally do dry fry. I just want the water to dry up, then I'll add a few oil. Please guys, like, subscribe and share, comment down below and tell me what you think about this recipe. It's a very simple recipe actually. It's not a must to cook your goat in the steam pot. You can cook it however you want it, but this is the way I cook it. Just to make it, where I come from, the meat is not so soft. So I want to eat meat that is soft. As you can see guys, our potatoes are almost ready. As you can see, they're changing color. So a few minutes and they'll be ready. That's our goat. I just added a few oil. So this is the way I simply cook my goat meat. So guys, this is our goat. For me it's ready. Like I told you, I'd already cooked it before. I just wanted to have this brownish golden look, so that it can look, because I'm from Kenya, it can look like mbuzi choma. In Kenya we call it mbuzi choma. That is goat barbecue, but it's dry fry barbecue. So that's the way I cook my goat. Please like, subscribe and share and tell me what you think about this recipe. You can try it for your family. Our potatoes are also ready. As you can see, I'll just add salt and some chili, then our food is ready. So this is the simplest way that I cook my potatoes and goat meat. Hello my lovely people, so this is our goat meat, dry fried goat meat. So today we are having potatoes, these potatoes here as you can see, and we are having them with goat meat. So this is our meal, a very simple and quick meal. Please check out the long form of the video and you'll see all the recipe of how I cooked this meal.